Hello, and welcome to another presentation by ZenTek. The reason for this video is to introduce you to a new solution for pressure networks that we call ZenPipe. ZenPipe is a pressure catalog containing everything you need for creating water, force mains, gas, or whatever it is you need to put under pressure. So let's take a look. So, why ZenPipe? Because using pressure pipes shouldn't be that hard. The stock catalogs that come with Civil 3D are not complete with what we need and are material dependent. The part families do more to hinder productivity by making parts hard to find. The descriptions that populate the part lists are very verbose and are also difficult to navigate. ZenPipe for Pressure Networks is a catalog containing part sizes from 4 inches to 24 inches. The family names are simple, and the part descriptions are clear, concise, and very easy to find. There are fittings with reducing branches, and there are also a few valves to choose from. The catalog has symbology built to it as displayed here, and the 3D parts can be viewed at any time if needed. If smaller sizes are required, there's an additional catalog available containing sizes from 1/8 of an inch to 3.5 inches, which we call ZenPipe for small Civil 3D pressure networks. So if you would like to add ZenPipe to your library of catalogs, give us a call or shoot us an email. And feel free to check out our website if you have any additional technology needs. Thank you and have a great day.